What mattress is best for hip pain? If you're waking up with aching hips or finding it hard to get a good night's sleep due to hip pain, you're not alone. Choosing the right mattress can make a big difference. So, let's figure out what to look for in a mattress to help alleviate that hip pain. First, it's crucial to understand that hip pain can be affected by the type of mattress you sleep on. You need a mattress that offers excellent pressure relief and proper spinal alignment. Mattresses with contouring materials like memory foam can be very helpful because they mold to your body, reducing pressure on your hips and other joints. Pressure relief and spinal alignment mattresses that provide good pressure relief are soft enough to contour and cradle your body while still being supportive enough to distribute your weight evenly. This prevents too much pressure from building up on your joints. For example, the Sattva RX and Helix Midnight Lux are known for their balanced feel, offering both comfort and support. They have layers of foam and coils that help keep your spine neutrally aligned and provide deep pressure relief. Type of mattress: Innerspring mattresses. These mattresses provide good support and bounce, but may not offer enough pressure relief for joint pain. Memory foam mattresses. While they can be comfortable, they might make it hard to move around and can feel too enveloping. Hybrid mattresses. These are often the best choice because they combine the responsiveness of Innerspring mattresses with the pressure relief of memory foam. The Helix Midnight Lux and Bear Elite Hybrid are great examples of hybrid mattresses that offer this balance. Zoned support. Some mattresses are designed with zoned support, which means they provide extra support in specific areas, like the lower back and hips. This helps prevent these parts of your body from sinking too deeply into the mattress. The Bear Elite Hybrid, for instance, has a transitional layer that is zoned to better support your midsection and keep your spine aligned. Height and ease of movement. The height of the mattress is also important. It should be high enough that your knees are at a 90-degree angle with your feet firmly on the ground when you're getting in and out of bed. This makes it easier to move around without straining your hips. Consulting your doctor. Before buying a new mattress, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider. Hip pain can sometimes be a sign of other issues, so it's important to get a professional opinion on whether a new mattress is the right solution for you. Specific recommendations. Helix Midnight Lux. This mattress is highly recommended for its excellent pressure relief and support. It's suitable for side and back sleepers and helps keep the spine neutrally aligned. Sattva RX. Designed for joint pain, this mattress offers a unique construction with 5 layers and a cover, providing a balanced feel of comfort and support. Bear Elite Hybrid. This mattress is great for those who prefer the feel of memory foam and need specific firmness options. It's also good for athletes or people with muscle soreness. By considering these factors and recommendations, you can find a mattress that will help you sleep better and reduce your hip pain. Remember, the right mattress can make a big difference in your overall comfort and health.